Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we will continue with our next topic. Okay, it is about securing the information systems. Okay, this topic is continuous from topic 6 because in topic 6 you already learned about the networking, wired and wireless network, and also about the telecommunication. And for topic 7, okay, you will learn how you want to secure the systems, the network, and the telecommunications that involve in your daily life. All right, so let's start. Okay, so these are the learning objective for topic 7. Okay, first, you finish learn about this topic, you may explain why information systems are vulnerable to disruption, error, and abuse. Second, you may describe the business value of security and control. Third, you may describe the components, okay, of organizational framework for security and control. And lastly, you may describe the tools and technologies that we can use for safeguarding the information resources. Okay. When we talk about system vulnerability and abuse, okay, we have to understand what is the definition of the security. Okay, security is something that you must have the policy, you must have the procedure, you must have the technical measure. But why we must have the standard security? We have to follow whatever the do's and don'ts that apply in our networking. Okay, so security is to prevent, okay, we used to prevent the unauthorized access. Unauthorized access such as somebody try to log in into your webmail, or somebody try to log in into your bank account, internet banking. All right, so this is what we call as an unauthorized access. They are not authorized to access into that particular website or particular platform. Okay. Number 2 is about alteration. They try to alter, they try to edit, they try to change, okay, some of the information, some of the data, okay, in that particular platform. Third is about theft. Either you stole in terms of soft copy, hard copy, hardware or software, anything. For example, you want to steal a mouse, okay, a mouse or keyboard. That's what we call as theft. Something that is not complete about the particular devices. So this is what we call it as a hardware theft, right? And last is about physical damage. Physical damage, you want to you try to, for example, in your organization, where you want to log in or you want to punch card, okay, daily punch card, clock in, okay, and then you have a device, we call it as a thumbprint, okay, thumbprint. So you have to scan your thumb into that device, and then when you do this physical damage, either you scratch by using a pen or any tools that make sure that they cannot read whatever scanning happened in on your physical body. This is what we call as a physical damage. Right? Okay. So to what? To information system, because they try to make sure that the information systems have faulty, cannot be read. Okay, so this is what we call as a security. So they come control in terms of method. Okay, method, the policy, the procedure. Okay, they control by using the policy. We have to follow the company policy, the government policy, okay, the procedure, okay, to ensure that the safety of organization's asset, okay, accuracy and reliability of its accounting record, and operational adherence to management standard. Everything they have to follow the SOP for that particular company. Okay, why systems are vulnerable? Okay, why systems are vulnerable? Okay, the first one is accessibility of network. You can access anywhere, anytime. Then somebody try to listen to the network communication. So the accessibility is open. Alright. Number two is hardware problems. Okay. Maybe some faulty in your hardware. The hardware cannot be read. The hardware have some problems, maybe because of the virus. Okay. And third is about software problems. Okay, the software cannot be used, cannot be run. Okay, and then disaster. Something happened to that organization. Either maybe have the flood, okay, the fire disaster, okay, and then use of network or computers outside of firm's control. Okay, you want to use maybe for the social media, you want to use not for the job task, but for your personal things. Okay, so this is openly to the public. Okay, so maybe they can access to your data. Okay, and lastly, loss and theft of portable devices. Like I said before, maybe your mouse or your keyboard have missing, the speaker of the desktop missing. Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, this is why we call systems are vulnerable. Okay, so this is your computer. Okay, this is the communication line, the server, and this is the corporate systems. Alright. So usually what happened to your computer in the organization? Unauthorized access. Somebody try to access to your system, to your data. Okay, and then maybe you have an error. Okay, while doing your task. Okay, for the communication line, maybe somebody try to tap the communication, listen to the communication, sniffing. Later we will look what is meaning of the sniffing. Okay, and then message alteration, try to edit the message. Okay, theft and fraud, radiation. They try to put the radiation into the communication line. So it become the system becomes it's not safe. Okay, it's not safe to everybody. Okay, and then corporate server. Okay, maybe some the outside people. Okay, try to hack into the system. Okay, put the virus and worms. Okay, later we will look what is this. Okay, theft and fraud, vandalism. How they put the vandalism? Maybe in the website, they try to put some scratch. Okay, and then at first we look at the website very clear, but the second time we want to log into the website, something happened to the website. Okay, whatever happened, the vandalism outside. Okay, so they can put the vandalism in your system. Okay, and denial of service attacks. Okay, later we will look what is those attacks, the meaning of those attack. For the corporate system, sama juga. So you have the theft of data, copying data, alteration of data, hardware failure, and software failure. Okay, so this is the internet vulnerability. Okay, what happened to our internet? Because internet, when we call as internet is, there is no gap. So it is open to anyone for who want to use. Okay, so use of fixed internet address with cable, and then they have the DSL. DSL is a digital subscriber line, so it is a part of modem. So they have a fixed target for hackers, unencrypted VoIP. Okay, voice over IP, email. We have the peer-to-peer, instant messaging. Somebody will intercept into your email, try to attach some of the software, transmit the trade secret. So they try to make sure they disturb into the communication. Okay, for example, here, this is between maybe this is you. Okay, you want to request the network, so you do the request and then authentication request, so you can access to the platform or you can access to the network. This is about the open the public network. Okay, and then when you request the response and success whatever semua, masa ni lah intruder. So please be careful when you use the public network, especially the public Wi-Fi. You go to the Starbucks or coffee shop. Okay, they have the public network, right? Or any mamak shop. Because of the SOP now, you macam benda tu takkan berlaku lah. Jarang lah sebab you takkan lepak lama-lama kan. But this is what happened. If you want to use something maybe valuable, please use your own data, because your own data pun dia bahaya juga, but the public network lagi bahaya. Macam mana cara nak kita nak overcome, ini kita nak belajar. Okay, for this topic. Okay, and then wireless security challenges. Okay, radio frequency bands, easy to scan. Senang je nak scan. Okay, because if you still remember in topic 6, kita ada about router, we have hub, we have switch. Router tu, the communication between your network and other network, right? So, dia macam pintu gate. Okay, dia macam memberi jalan. Okay, so dekat situ, the hackers ni, they try to scan, they try to listen the network communication, especially about the wireless. So, benda tu paling senang untuk orang scan sebenarnya. Okay, so actually hackers ni, dia takkan pilih macam, oh, I want to hack this person, nampak macam kaya. No. Okay, dia macam kita cuba try. Okay, they just try if they can access to that particular platform or whatever website that you have, their personal. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Itu adalah tugas hacker. Alright. And then SSID, service set identifiers. Usually they will identify the access point. Okay, yang ada broadcast multiple times. They have to try. Okay, and then can be identified by sniffer program. And then they put the wall driving. So they have put the eavesdroppers drive by building and try to detect the SSID. Try to listen the communication. Okay, once the access point is breached, intruders can use operating system to access network, drives and file. You nampak They just listen to the communication. Listen tu macam mana? Dia tak guna telinga. Listen tu maksudnya dia akan tengok senarai website kita pergi apa semua. Dia adalah dia punya coding dia. Okay, coding dia. So benda ni kena practice lah to be a hacker. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Next video, I will explain. Okay, about this. Some of the about the virus, about the worm, apa yang kita katakan worm, apa yang kita katakan virus. So nanti untuk next video I will explain about this. Okay, thank you.